This is the leaf of life we are going to talk about. Yeah, it's very beneficial. It's very powerful leaf. I've made a full video on this channel, Plant Lifestyles. I've made a full video on it, and it is very powerful leaf. In fact, it works against evil spirits. It works against evil eyes. It brings luck. If you are someone who faces challenges about spiritual issues, I recommend this for you. This leaf, the way it works is superb. The leaf is very powerful. If you have them in your garden, it drives away even evil spirits and even bring positivity to your life. Putting this leaf in your room, on your table, or under your pillow makes you safe from any evil attack. Those suffering from spiritual marriage and then those suffering from spiritual attacks, you can use this leaf to pray. You can use this leaf to do a lot of things. Those people who do love spells and all those kind of things, they use this leaf in combination of some oils to facilitate and make it very fast for them. There are also things this leaf can do. This leaf is a leaf that can also heal physical sickness, or it is healthy to treat a lot of sicknesses, like those with heart attack, heart disease, heart problems, and then cholesterol problems. Yes, their blood pressure is high, their blood pressure is very low, a lot of things. The leaf is very powerful, so you can get them in your garden, and then any leaf that is important, you can get them in your garden. Yes, protect yourself from evil with this leaf. Make yourself clean and make yourself attract wealth, attract positivity, clean negativity from your era, from your environment with this leaf. Yes, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and then I have a detailed explanation of this leaf as a full video on its own on my channel. Kindly subscribe and watch the video for the benefits of this leaf of life. It is also called Tameawu in my language, which literally known as if you hate me or you don't want me to improve in life, you must die. This is the name of the leaf. Look at how powerful it is. And even the English name is leaf of life. See, leaf of life, meaning that when the leaf, you have the leaf, you have life. Yes, this leaf is very important. So get them and protect yourself, improve your life, and be so protected and secured with this leaf. Thank you for watching.